Now you see the passage. Shylock. Oh, no, no, no. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. What I meant in saying he is a good man is that he has enough money to guarantee the loan. Yet his means are in supposition, but his investments are uncertain right now. He hath an argosy bound to Tripolis, another to the Indies. I understand, moreover, upon the Rialto, he hath a third at Mexico, a fourth for England, and other ventures he hath squandered abroad. So, what he says, he has one ship bound for Tripoli, another heading for the Indies. What's more, people at the Rialto tell me he has a third ship in Mexico, a fourth in England, as well as other business ventures throughout the world. So, what is Rialto? The Rialto is the business district of Venice where the merchants meet. So, here he has used the word squandered abroad. That means uselessly scattered abroad. It implies perhaps that Antonio has not acted prudently in risking so much all at once. He then outlines the dangers for Antonio's goods. But ships are but boats, sailors but men. There be land rats, water thieves, and land thieves. I mean pirates. And then there is the peril of waters, winds, and rocks. The man is not withstanding sufficient. 3,000 ducats, I think I may take his bond. Then he says that, but ships are just fragile boards, and sailors are just men. There are rats and thieves and pirates, and storms, winds, and rocks. Anything could happen, but in spite of all this, the man is still wealthy enough. And 3,000 ducats, I think I can let him guarantee your loan. Now I am discussing what type of question can be taken from this passage. So, who is referred to as a good man? Yes, you all know that Antonio. Okay. Then next is what is the implication of the word good man according to Shylock? So, according to Shylock, Antonio is a good man from the point of view of money lending. Antonio is trustworthy. He can be trusted as a credible surety for the sum advanced as a loan. Next question is, yet his means are in supposition. So, what is meant by supposition? So, in supposition means that Antonio's means are doubtful. He is a wealthy merchant and yet his investments are not safe. Next question is, what are the risks and dangers to which the ship are exposed? What is Shylock's conclusion? Antonio's ships have gone to different destinations. There are those heading towards Tripolis, Indies, Mexico, and England. But ships are made of wooden boats. The sailors are subject to injury. Then there are winds and storms in the sea. There is the danger of water rats making holes in the ships, thus sinking them. Lastly, there is a danger of powerful pirates attacking and looting the ships. So, in spite of all these, Antonio himself is sufficient as a surety. Shylock is ready to accept it. Only he will have to sign a bond to commit himself through a legal document. The children, very soon I will come with another important passage of Act 1, Scene 3.